Imagine this, you've just returned from a fantastic trip, your YouTrip wallet is still loaded with some leftover currency, and you're thinking, how do I get this back into my bank account? You're not alone. Many YouTrip users wonder about this very thing. Can you directly withdraw money from your YouTrip card to your bank account? Let's break it down. YouTrip, as you know, is a fantastic multi-currency wallet and travel card. It's designed primarily for spending overseas, offering competitive exchange rates and eliminating those pesky foreign transaction fees. It's your travel buddy, your global spending solution. But its core function is geared towards spending, not traditional bank transfers. Now, the crucial point, YouTrip doesn't offer a direct withdraw to bank account feature in the conventional sense. You can't simply click a button and send funds from your YouTrip balance straight to your savings or checking account. This is a fundamental design aspect of how YouTrip operates. It's built for spending, not for acting as a traditional bank account. So, what are your options if you want to access that remaining balance? Well, the most straightforward way is to simply spend it. Use your YouTrip card for online purchases, local transactions, or even during your next trip. You can also strategically use it to pay for services that you would otherwise pay from your bank account. Think of it as preloading your spending. Another option, if you have a friend or family member also using YouTrip, is to transfer the funds to their YouTrip account. You can then arrange for them to transfer the equivalent amount to your bank account through a separate method. While not a direct withdrawal, it's a workaround that can be useful. It's important to understand the reasons behind this. YouTrip's primary function is to facilitate convenient and cost-effective overseas spending. Its regulatory framework and operational structure are optimized for this purpose. Offering direct bank withdrawals would require a different set of licenses and infrastructure, potentially impacting the efficiency and cost-effectiveness of their core service. Think of it this way, YouTrip is like a preloaded travel wallet designed to hold and spend foreign currencies. It's not a bank account with traditional deposit and withdrawal functionalities. This distinction is crucial for understanding its limitations and how to best utilize its features. Furthermore, YouTrip's user interface and app are tailored for spending and currency conversion. You'll find features like real-time exchange rate tracking, in-app currency conversions, and spending analytics. These features are designed to enhance your travel spending experience, not to facilitate bank transfers. Now, it's worth noting that YouTrip is constantly evolving. They may introduce new features or functionalities in the future. So, always stay updated with their official announcements and app updates. However, as of now, direct withdrawals to bank accounts are not a supported feature. In essence, the best way to manage your remaining YouTrip balance is to plan your spending accordingly. Use it for your next trip, online purchases, or any transactions where you can leverage its competitive exchange rates. Treat it as a preloaded spending tool, and you'll maximize its benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.